keto stuffed peppers. I'm making one slight change to the recipe. I have made this before, and I'm thinking this slight change may help this already yummy recipe taste just a little bit better. So we have the keto stuffed peppers. These keto stuffed peppers are quick, easy, and healthy dinner recipe that comes together in less than 20 minutes. Filled with ground beef, cauliflower rice, and topped with melted cheese. Everyone will beg for seconds. I also shared this one with a neighbor, and he said he liked it as well, even though he's not crazy about stuffed bell peppers. My 4 large bell peppers, my 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 finely chopped onion, ground beef, 2 tablespoons of the keto taco seasoning that you make up yourself, 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes in their juice I substituted for a can of Rotel. And then I have the cauliflower rice, I've already steamed it. And then I have 2 cups of the cheese that I've already divided. So now I'm going to cut and prep my bell peppers while the oven has heated up to 375. And then this is the lightly greased a large baking dish. So now I'm going to go ahead and slice off the tops of the bell peppers, de-seed them, and remove excess membranes. Slice each bell pepper in half and place them in the lined baking dish. So now I'm going to put the oil over in my skillet and get that heated, and then I will saute my onions. So this is the onion. I also added celery seed and a little bit of minced garlic, salt, and pepper. Let this saute for 1 minute. Alexa, can you set a 1 minute timer, please?
1 minute.
Now to let the ground beef brown. It doesn't mention anything about draining off the grease, but I couldn't imagine not draining it off. So I drained it off the first time I made it, and I will also drain it again, which I found that kind of odd. I'm gonna let this brown up. Here it reads, okay, preheat the oven, lightly grease the large baking dish, done. Slice the tops of the bell peppers off and de-seed them, and then remove the excess membranes. Slice each bell pepper in half and place them in the lined dish, done. In a large non-stick pan, heat up your olive oil on medium. When hot, add your onions and saute for around 1 minute. Add your ground beef and cook until no longer pink. It says nothing about draining off the meat, the grease from the meat. However, I did the first time and I will again. Once that's done, after I get it drained, I'll add it back to the pan, and then I'll add my taco seasoning, pour in the can of diced tomatoes along with the juices. Let's simmer for 1. I've drained the grease off, which is quite a bit of grease. Add the taco seasoning, the can of the diced tomatoes, which mine is Rotel, just to give it a little bit more flavor. And once I get it mixed up thoroughly, I'll let it simmer for 1 minute. Alexa, set a 1 minute timer.
1 minute, 30 minutes.
Now to simmer for 1 minute. So it reads, remove from heat, and then you put in your steamed cauliflower and 1 cup of the shredded cheese, and then you mix that up. Now to add the meat filling to the bell peppers. Does that not look yummy? Okay, have the peppers filled. Now I'm going to add the remaining 1 cup of cheese. Also put some more salt and pepper and the homemade taco seasoning sauce on top. There we have it. I added the remaining 1 cup of cheese. It will bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the cheese is melted and the peppers are tender. Alexa, can you set the timer for 20 minutes, please?
20 minutes, starting now.
Now I'll start cleaning up my mess.